What are you doing? Will you kill the damn roach? It's still in there. Get it. Get it.
I don't know how it closed.
Yeah, you do. Get the roach. You broke the fucking glass.
No, I didn't.
Really? It's cracked.
Baby, I didn't break the...
Really?
There he is, there he is.
Did you get him?
No.
What do you mean, no? You're just going to hold it up there? Just keep it right there.
Oh, I'm going to put him on you.
You want me to get the pistol?
I'm going to put it on you.
No, you're not.
Yeah. God damn it.
Don't let him loose.
You are such a pussy.
I'm going to shoot him.
Troy, I can't believe you screamed. It's like a girl.
Get the roach.
But how am I supposed to kill it without breaking the window?
I don't know. How are you supposed to kill it? Did you get him?
No.
Get him.
I can't breathe.
We'll kill him. Where is he?
I don't know. These things don't even die during...
Where did you get it?
I don't know. I'm tired of him. If you just would have helped me, you wouldn't have roach poop in our...
It's not poop, it's an egg.
Well, it's gone.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Find it. What if it's on that... What if it's on that Swiffer there crawling down towards your hands?
No. It's just a roach. We'll see him in a couple minutes, because I didn't kill him. Oh, my stomach hurts. It's the funniest thing I've ever seen. You are such a...
You don't see it anywhere?
No, where is it? Please get up and kill him.
I don't know where it is. You find it and I'll kill it.
I'm not. I'm tired. I have to get up early.
Well, okay. Yeah, right there?
No.
A little winded?
No, I can't.
If you find it, I'll kill it.
My stomach hurts from laughing so hard.
You sure you didn't break the glass? Check the glass.
No, because you're going to do something mean.
No, I'm not.
I didn't break the glass.
And you can't tell.
I really didn't.
You can't tell.
I can feel.
Pull the... It's not plastic. Pull the...
Hell no. You pull it.
Pull the cord.
You're the pussy that wouldn't get up. I'm pulling nothing. Damn it, God damn it. You saw those covered facts so fast. Crazy.
You don't see it anywhere, do you?
No.
You sure?
You'll see him now. Get
Where is he?
Right
Get
here.
him.
I can't.
There he is right there. Get him.
Still not dead. Troy, I told you to get him while we could.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. He's gone.
They don't just go.
I can't get him. I can't kill bugs very good. I'm tired of it. You had the opportunity to kill him and you didn't.
What was that?
Ashtray.
You think somebody was on you there?
No, we're
Just come lay down. You really will break the glass if you're not careful.
You really will get up and put me in a puss. This baby I've ever seen. You can. God damn it.
You were trying to smash him over the top of me.
You should have seen yourself. He's gone.
You sure?
No, please come get him.
You positive? Just come back and lay down in the bed.
Okay. I'm not afraid of roaches.
Really?
I just don't want
Just pull the curtain back then.
this
No, I
one.
meant with your hand.